In this video we're going to see how we can work out the volume of a frustrum. A frustrum is when you take a pyramid or a cone, and if I slice across it in a direction that's parallel to the base, then what I would end up with is a small cone on the top, and the shape that would be left on the bottom is what we call the frustrum. This is the frustrum. This is what I want to work out the volume of. So the way that we work out the volume of this shape is I work out the volume of the big cone, then I work out the volume of the small cone that's been cut off the top, take them away, and that will give me the volume of the frustrum that's left on the bottom there. So basically it's going to be the volume of the big cone, take away the volume of the small cone. We know how to work out the volume of a cone. It's this formula here, where the area is the area of the base. So in the case of a cone, the area at the base is a circle, so pi r squared. So let's have a look at an example of this. So I want to work out the volume of this frustrum here. So I'm going to work out the area of the volume of the big cone. Then I'm going to work out the volume of the small cone, and then I'm going to take them away. So the volume of the big cone, first of all, it's 1/3 of the area of the base. So the area of the base is pi times the radius squared. So this is the circle on the base of the big cone, pi times 10 squared, times the height of the big cone. The height of the big cone, well, if that's 9 and this here is 6, so 9 plus 6 is 15. So the height of the big cone is 15. And when I work that out, I find that the exact volume in terms of pi is 500 pi. I'm now going to work out the volume of the small cone. So that's the cone just on the top there. So again, same formula, but this time the radius of the circle on the base is 4 and the height is just 6. So 1/3 times pi times 4 squared times 6 gives me 32 pi. So the volume of the frustrum is the big cone, take away the small cone, which is 468 pi centimeters cubed. So that's the volume of this frustrum.